After facing the relentless FHE01 Driver Compatibility Error crash in Forza Horizon myself and dedicating significant time to testing various solutions, I've uncovered multiple effective methods to finally resolve this persistent issue. And I'm ready to share them with you now. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are a primary cause of compatibility issues like FHE01, as they fail to provide the correct software instructions for your GPU. Updating ensures your system uses the latest driver version, which often includes critical bug fixes and optimizations specifically for newer games like Forza Horizon, effectively preventing crashes caused by incompatible or inefficient driver calls that lead to system instability. Next, verifying your game files is essential. Game files can become corrupted or incomplete during download, installation, or even regular gameplay. These integrity issues can lead to missing or malformed game assets that the game engine expects, triggering driver compatibility errors when it tries to access non-existent or broken components. Verifying forces the game launcher to check and repair these discrepancies, ensuring all necessary files are present and correct for smooth operation. Furthermore, disabling background applications can make a huge difference. Resource conflicts and system overload are significant contributors to game crashes. Background applications, especially those that consume substantial CPU, GPU, or memory, can starve Forza Horizon of the resources it needs, leading to system instability and errors like FHE01. By minimizing background processes, you dedicate maximum system power to the game, reducing contention and improving overall stability. Finally, a clean reinstall of your drivers is a powerful solution. A standard driver update might not fully remove remnants of old, faulty driver installations that can persist and cause conflicts. A clean reinstall using a tool like DDU ensures all traces of previous drivers are completely purged from the system. This provides a fresh slate for installing new drivers, eliminating deep-seated conflicts or corrupted files that could otherwise trigger the FHE01 error, offering a robust solution for persistent driver-related crashes and getting you back on the road.